To enhance your travel with these 5 TSA-approved snack hacks that airlines hide from you. 1. Create your own trail mix by combining nuts, dried fruits, and dark chocolate chips for a long-lasting energy boost. 2. Pack single-serving nut butter packets to pair with fruit, like apples or bananas, offering a protein-packed snack perfect for traveling. 3. Pre-cut veggies and single-serving hummus make a nutritious and crunchy snack, easy to enjoy while flying. 4. Always carry an empty reusable water bottle to fill up after security, ensuring you stay hydrated without buying expensive airport drinks. 5. Use compact, spill-proof snack containers to pack items like cheese, crackers, keeping your carry-on mess-free. These snack hacks not only save you money, but also keep you satisfied with healthy, delicious options that airlines often don't offer. Enjoy these tips to make your flying experience more enjoyable and less dependent on airline food choices.